I'm dumb. I muted the microphone. You guys are correct. Rip. I muted the microphone because I was going to get up and I was going to... But I forgot, so... The audio is here. Please hold. Wow. Well, this live stream from the recorded version is going to go bad real quick. Deerfield Beach. Who? Oh, hold on. Hold on. Junior Django. Nope. No junior anything. I'm going to make a list. I'm only going to do this for like 30 minutes because this adds up so fast. Pick India. That India is a country with 1 billion people, boy. You gotta be more specific. Like Deerfield Beach. Hello, I'm at work. What up, man? Welcome aboard. Fort Lauderdale. I'm just making a list. I'm gonna cut. Okay, so you guys make suggestions. I'll make a list. India, please. Please pick a city. St. Louis. Bangalore. All right. You want Dallas? New Jersey. Like, you could pick a city. Iran? Yeah, dude. I'm probably... Yeah, no. FBI is going to come knocking down my door if I look up Iran. You should add a way to show notification when someone subscribes, bro. I don't think so. I think that would probably get very, you know... But, you know, mainly I can't look up Iran because I can't read Arabic. London. Nairobi, Kenya. Alright, I'll do my best. Akron, Ohio. Hamburg, Germany. Germany's got a lot of jobs on Stack Overflow. Warsaw, Poland. I can't read Polish, but I'll do my best. Delhi in India. All right. I got London. Iranians don't speak Arabic. They speak Farsi. I think that... okay, well. I guess I'm just dumb. I am incorrect. A job in Ireland. South Dakota. What do you want, like Belfast, or where are we looking in Ireland? Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Mexico. Mexico's a huge country. Do Peru. I'm not just gonna... You gotta pick a city, man. Where do you find the jobs? I don't know. What is this video all about? Looking for jobs. Kolkata, India. All right. But, you know, even if it's Farsi, I still can't read. I can't read the alphabet. But I'll do my best. I don't really know where to go search for jobs there, though. Bucharest, Romania. All right. Yeah, I'm hoping that these are English. Newark. How many words per minute do you type? I have no idea. Doesn't matter. Monterey, all right. Indianapolis, Indiana. Chicago. Chicago. Ace Ventura is the best. Illinois. I got Bucharest. You want Nassau? Sure, we'll check that. I got Ireland on here. Oh, you want Scotland? All right, we'll do Edinburgh. Glasgow. Okay. Macedonia. Mumbai. No, I got India on here. You want Istanbul? All right. Seattle. Seattle's rough because it's all like Amazon and Microsoft. Valencia. I got London. I got Bangladesh. I got Germany. Oh, I don't got Sweden. We'll look up Gothenburg, Sweden. I got Turkey on there. Greece. Athens is going to be mainly like the only place there. Bulgaria. Sure, we'll look up Bulgaria. I got Ireland on there. You want Detroit? Get some Detroit, Michigan. All right. Cambodia. Serbia. Netherlands. Oh my God. Oh, you want Switzerland? Never looked there. Shreveport, Louisiana. That's a good one. I got Germany and London. I got that on there. Can you find some remote jobs? Yeah, go to remoteok.io. We want Portugal. Kuala Lumpur. Paris, France. That's a good one. Toronto. Oh my God. All right, look. I'm gonna 30 seconds more of this, and if it's not on the list, I can't do it. South Africa. I got London. Toronto. I got Canada. I'll do one city per country because it's that's a lot. India's already on here. .net. You can't specify tech stack. You only get the place. Lithuania. That's a rough one. I'll do my best. I got Warsaw on here. I got Bangladesh. China. I can't read Mandarin. Would you find some job remote? Yeah, remoteok.io. Any data science channel? I don't know anything about it. Italy, that's a good one. Denmark. Got Romania. Germany's on there. Moscow. Can't read Russian. I can't read Cyrillic. Oh, Helsinki, Finland. There you go. All right, I'll do that one first because I like Finland. I haven't been there in a while. Ireland's on there. Need that again. Structured life around it. Matt Graves. Go to remoteok.io or we work remotely. Those are both good. Slovenia got there. I got India on here. Portugal's on here. Norway. No, you suggested like 6 already, Wanderers. That's not fair. Where are you from? Sweden's on here. We got Gothenburg, Sweden. Poland. All right, let's jump into it. I got pretty much every. Oh, Antarctica. Yep. Let's go work with penguins. Hello, these will be your coworkers. They're known as the Antarctic penguins. I got the UK, but we're doing London. Estonia, I got Warsaw. What's your opinion on X Team? It's garbage. It's just a way to undercut and outsource. I applied to X Team and they wanted to pay me like $19 an hour for 40 hours a week. Yeah, no. Mars. Let's ask Elon Musk. All right. What are we doing? We'll do Indeed, I guess. I'm gonna start at the top. I got Florida on here. We're doing Deerfield, Florida. We'll just work our way down here. Here we go. So here's the places we got. Software. Well, actually, I just put developer. Deerfield Beach, Florida. Here we come. Started from the top. Yeah. So I'm assuming Deerfield is close to Boca Raton. Front-end developer. Here we go. Find a data science internship open for everyone around the world. Okay, that sounds like a dream. AngularJS Bootstrap proficient in working in single-page applications, so this could also mean React. Medical insurance after 3 months, but they just say 90 days. Okay. Paid vacation starting with 3 weeks, increased to 1 month at 2 years, and 5 weeks at 5 years. 5 weeks vacation at 5 years. That's kind of garbage, but USA, I guess. Paid holidays, but they don't say how many. Could be 6, could be 8, could be 10. No salary listed here. This is a full-time position. No freelancer, part-time applicants will be considered. This is an in-house position, so don't apply and ask to be work remote. You know why they put this there? Because a bunch of people applied. Okay, so here, Java 1 year, but no mention of Java here. Here's a clear indication that HR has no idea what they're talking about. Why do you need Java for these? What? This is a garbage job. Let's go back. This seems like a pretty 836 reviews. That's a pretty big company. Benefits you'll enjoy. A competitive salary, which we won't share. A month of vacation. Okay, well, this is very not descriptive at all. Junior developer. Okay, so rip this job here. This job right here for junior dev. Still nothing mention of salary. 1 year preferred. Yeah, okay, so here you go. I would apply here. This seems pretty open. 1 year preferred experience. Not bad. It always surprises me you guys are allowed so little days. Oh, hold on. I can't finish reading that sentence. I gotta get back to work or my boss is gonna get mad, okay? We don't have vacation here. Here you go. That seems like a good job for Deerfield. It just happens to be junior, okay? I didn't specifically look for this, but it seems okay. But just know that because of this title, it's probably going to be pretty packed. Line's going to be long. So we can't take any more places because we have all the places here on the right. So if we finish them, maybe we'll do more. All right, we're doing St. Louis now. Front-end web developer, junior software developer. So I'm probably going to go for this one over front-end developer. Oh, 2 years preferred. Okay, yeah, good luck. Oh my God, 2+ years. At 2+ years, you're not junior anymore. This is one of those jobs I made a video on. Unit test, yeah, no, okay, so this is United States preferred. They would like you. Well, okay, so all right, you have to know Chinese. So, rip. Or maybe you know Chinese. But okay, so they want. Whatever. Next job. This is not good. Local applicants, please no phone calls to be considered. Ha, that's funny. Probably because people called. Required. This is garbage. Here's one. This looks okay. Late to the stream. You messaged me on Discord. Can you have a look? The UK's on here. It's at the bottom. How would you build iOS apps if you have Windows PC? Maybe you get, I don't know, like install both. Code a website that auto-filters BS applications. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. Imagine if there was a website for only junior developers. That website would be so saturated, it wouldn't even be like... Preferred 3 years experience. So this seems like okay. I would probably apply to this job. It's C#. This seems okay though. Nothing here really like super advanced. Oh God, TFS. Huh. Rip. Enjoy losing your Git skills, but I'd still apply. There you go. Done with Missouri. Bangalore, you say? Is that India? Database engineer. .NET developer. Looks okay. This might be okay. I'd probably go with this. It's business dev, but this means that you're going to be doing SQL. You need a two-wheeler, guys. Going to be doing some traveling. If we can code a website to filter out stuff, how will we know? Yeah, exactly. Wayne gets it. Can we do the Netherlands? It's on here. It's towards the bottom. Turkey's on here. Holland's on here. Essex. We got London on here. Houston and Austin. I got Dallas on here for Texas. This looks okay. You got a phone number. Probably give this dude a call. Here, I'll link it to you. You've exceeded your quota. Are you kidding me? Wow, okay, so they must be tracking my IP. Cool. Should we be sending out cover letters, or is applying enough? Yeah, cover letters, dude. Why are you sending resumes without a cover letter? Do Stockholm? I got Gothenburg on here. Yeah, the list is locked. The list is locked for now because, as you can see, it's going to take me a minute to get through these. Otherwise, it just go forever. A country and a city, but the list is locked. So right now we're actually doing it. Otherwise, we'd just be making a list all day instead of actually doing anything. Tiny URL is good. Yeah. Italy's on here. Yeah. The hell? All right, whatever. There you go. Oh, I can't post tiny URL links. Cool. Sweet. Oh, I thought this was deprecated. Yeah, it's deprecated. Wow, that's pretty bad. Hey, there it goes. Wow, it won't let me do it. It won't let me send it. Wow. Is it possible to work in data science remote? Yeah, it's hard though. Subscribed after your 2 videos. Just want to say I think you're doing is awesome. Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate you. Yeah, if you're here and you enjoy the stream, maybe leave a thumbs up and help me do better in the algorithm so we can get road to 100K. At road to 100K, everyone in the Discord, well, not everyone, but like a bunch of people in the Discord are coming to visit me, I guess, or I'll go visit them. Is it possible to find a job in the USA from another country? In the US, yeah, of course. You're killing it, amigo. Mario, thanks, man. Oh, look. The trash guy is here. Hold on. One moment, please, chat. I'll be right back. Dogs don't like the trash master. Well, it has squeaky brakes, and it doesn't... My dog's ears don't like the squeaky brakes. Watch. Not barking? Oh, they're doing better. I've been telling them not to bark at the trash man. They seem to be doing better. Okay. Well, I guess I'll keep going then, because they stopped. What good doggos. Alright, well, maybe I can just link this. As a British citizen, can I work at NASA? Yep. Aw, 200 characters, can't do it. Is it possible to, to work when there's so many workers working to get work? Of course, you just have to, be better than the other ones. Use Bitly to shorten links. I did do Bitly, and then I got capped out because I have to make a free account. So if you'd like to give me a moment, I will log into my free account with Bitly. Please hold. Your mic volume is low. Turn your volume up. I think my mic volume is fine. Dallas is on here, Mario. It's towards the bottom. Oh yeah, it's right here. We got Dallas right there. All right, hold on. I'm gonna log in real quick. Log in with Google, please. Mic is fine. Singapore. Why you're trying to do some vlogs? What are you talking about? Traffic lights? Really? Don't make me do machine learning for free. Let me in. All right. Here we go. We're back here. I logged in. I'm gonna create your link for India. Here you go. Could I search a good job in Nashville? All right, I'll add it on there for donation. That seems fair. Cheating the system here. Maybe that's a good idea. So we'll lock down the list after 5 minutes, and then if you want to add, you got to donate. I don't know. Josh, show your biceps. What? Nothing harder than getting into these jobs. Brisbane, Australia. I think Australia is fair to add. Actually, I've never looked at Australia, so I'll add Brisbane on there. Scammed. I got Bangladesh on here. Small projects that could help me get an internship. You don't want internships, my man. Look for regular jobs. All right, we want Bangalore. That's done. Dallas. Software developer. Junior software developer. See, this actually seems kind of fair, but let's see what this looks like. Is Russia there? Norway's on here. Search for a job in El Salvador. List is locked, Hector. Try Bulgaria. Bulgaria's on here. Seniors make like 20K, but you have to understand, if you make like 20K, then your rent's probably like 100 of that, right? It's all relative. Stop looking at these numbers like they mean everything. 100K here, great, but like 50% of that is my living, so it's actually 50K. You know what I mean? It's all percentage based on your living expenses. It's not number based. You guys stop. I'll make a video on that. It'd be really short. This seems okay. What the hell? Okay, pass on that. So this is junior. 1 year experience, preferred. Combination of work and experience will be considered. Yeah, so this is a pretty good job, I think, right here for Dallas, Texas. There you go. Dallas is done. We're doing the UK. We're going across the pond. Indeed.com. Wait, hold on. Gotta zoom out. Sherm, what up? Which is better, projects or internship? Projects. How can I search on this site myself? Just go to Indeed and do what I'm doing. Birmingham. Is there a way to contact you privately? You just message me on Discord, I guess. Programming is dead. Cool, dude. 200 or 308 people would probably respectfully disagree, but okay. London, here we go. I should probably specify. $18K a year. How do you know when you're job ready? You're not gonna know when you're job ready. Oh, cool. My mic arm just came undone. Hold on, I'm gonna mute it and refix it. You have to stop looking at these numbers. Stop. They're all relative to cost of living, healthcare, taxes. Salary does not, it's not that big of a deal. You have to, like, you understand Americans, we make like, what, 50, 60K? But if you need to go to the doctor, your deductible's like 9K. And then you got to pay another $4,000 for Tylenol, you know? Like, it's all relative to cost of living and taxes and all that stuff. 18K is crap in London, I'll give you that. In London, yeah, that's pretty bad. I don't think this is very good. That's really bad. This looks okay. I'll probably do this one. Which YouTube tech do you like? Myself. I don't know. I don't watch tech on YouTube. Like maybe Linus Tech Tips probably. I don't watch code though. Have you done San Bernardino? Not yet. Copenhagen, Denmark's on here. Can I get a job at 16? Of course. Cool stream. I want to relocate from Russia, so whatever. That's cool, dude. You gotta get a visa sponsor. Josh, give your WhatsApp number. I don't have WhatsApp. How about Greece? Greece is on here. I'll look up Athens. London living cost is super high. Yep, absolutely. Let's maybe look up like 45K. Opens a new tab. Wow. Around 49K. This seems okay. Good experience, understands. Okay, so this is very vague. Here's your chance to shine right here, guys. London, 49K. There you go. You could go to Eddie's channel. Eddie makes videos. If you guys are interested in open source, you can go to Eddie's channel and learn all about open source. He'll get you what you need. If you ever want to consider open source, how to set up open source, he has a business that's open source. He's a good dude. You should go check him out. Advances our priority areas. Oh, our planet, our health. Okay, that's cool. All right, we got London. London is done. Okay. This is gonna be a good one right here. What's Eddie's channel? It's just his name. All right. All right, so maybe we'll just do this one a little bit different. So here's Nairobi, it looks like. And so what I would do would probably just call these companies, because it doesn't look like there's that many companies. I'd probably just call these companies right here. IBM Kenya might be good. Software Developers Limited Geeks, probably call this. So all these numbers here, this is what I would use. And I would call this for Nairobi, Kenya. Why can't I say that? I mean, what's his full name? I mean, just look up in the chat. He's a mod. Eddie Jowd. That's his name. But yeah, I'd probably call these because I'm not, we didn't get any Google results, and it looks like you're pretty limited on development shops here. So I would just call these directly. Just use these phone numbers right here. How valuable is 1.5 years experience with 1 year working on a pretty big project? Could be a pretty small project depending on the size of the team or the company. Chicago, I think Chicago's on here. It's just towards the bottom. I'll zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. Well, that's as far as it goes. All right. Done. Oh man, this is gonna be just super saturated, dude. What up, Fluke? Hey, thanks, man. What's up, dude? Welcome to the stream. Let me just pay respects to everyone that's here. Sorry if I'm not getting your country, but as you can tell, it takes a little bit of time, and there's, people from everywhere. Did you check Ireland? Not yet. Right here. Let's take a look at this one here. Garbage. Is this one I just clicked? No, okay. Check Canada, it's in here. Software engineer with a sponsored visa, maybe. We'll do that in another stream. That'd be a good dedicated stream. Ireland's yet to go, it's right here. $55 to $60 seems like, oh. $55 to $60, 2years.net, get out of here. I don't know, you could apply and counter for like 65, but they're just gonna be like, unfortunately, our budget is 55 to 60, probably. Oh wait, hold on, wait a minute now, hold on. We got a nice little gotcha. In lieu of a degree, we need you to have 2 to 4 years experience. So basically, if you didn't learn Java, sorry, I can't work here. Even though you do .NET, which is C#. Oh, cool, makes sense. Makes perfect sense. So this is no good. Bad job. No go. Oh man, this one's gonna be these two right here. RV share. Let's see what this one's about. You have at least 2 years experience. Whatever. I got whatever you want me to have. Yeah, still preferred. They don't actually care. When it's marked as preferred, they don't care. Chernobyl, Ukraine. Great bait, mate. Croatia, Macedonia, Serbia. I got, man, I think I got one of those on there. Where can I host my web dev projects? I think GitHub Pages would be good. Lithuania's on here. Mauritius, I think I got that. New York, New York. That's not on there. You guys, look at this list. You see how long this list is? I'm trying to get to everybody. I like these live streams. Cool to see what kind of things we need to look for. Yep. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. If you want me to add it to the list, you can. I'll do it for donation, but otherwise, look at all. Like, just look at the chat. I can't put them all on here. They only use React, and yeah, that's for sure. They use Reactor JS, the nuclear JS, radiation JS. That's what they use in Chernobyl. This looks like an okay job. I would apply here. How much to be next in line? I don't know. Maybe like $50? I don't know. That's not fair. You gotta like think about the person that like, I don't know. That doesn't seem right. Here's a part-time. That could be good for somebody. Oh no, dogs are gonna bark. There they go. Mr. Trash Man is here. Alright, so Ohio is done. We're gonna go Germany now. I think Germany's got that big boy money. Got that big brain money. So we're gonna go Stack Overflow for Germany, because I see a lot of stuff that has relocation in Germany. Can you give me a job as a carpenter? Did you do Nash already? I was away from the stream. Negative, Rayman. Did not do Nashville yet. Back to work. Have a good day. Thanks for hanging out, Craig. Have a good one, man. So let's look for. Oh, we're at the jobs. Let's back up a little bit here. We want Hamburg, Germany. Let's see what we got. So here's paid relocation. So if you're in the EU, they'll probably move you to Germany. This could be good. JavaScript, Kotlin. Ugh. Senior. No. Fall intern. Welcome to Germany, where everything is by the book. Germany is the most checkbox country. Like, literally, Germany's so bureaucratic. Nothing against them, but like, They're so by the book that it's like it's like you just get shut down anytime you try to think outside the box, and it's almost like not even worth it. Excuse me. Well, that's not how our process works. Well, I mean, what about if you think about it? I'm sorry, no, it's not by the book. I know because I taught a student that was in Germany. I taught a student, and like it was just what software? I dare you to find one in Kurdistan. So Kurdistan is not a country. That's kind of just like a location between 3 different countries. This looks okay. Full stack engineer. Back into Berlin. Alright, that's not Hamburg. My bad. So this is data science probably. Yeah, okay, so there's not a whole lot here. You could maybe try this, but they're gonna be like, are you actually senior? Fluent in English. They might, okay, well you might, I don't know. You might be able to. I'd apply here. This is what I'm gonna say to do. Going to Brunswick. Ooh, sorry to hear that. Will this video be up when I'm done? Absolutely. There's Germany. So we're done. We're gonna go to Poland. I heard Poland's got lots of cute girls. Maybe I should go work remotely there for a little while, make some YouTube videos. Just kidding, there's lots of cute girls everywhere. What am I doing? This is the US. I need to go. Let's see. I can't read this. I think this says Warsaw. Cool. Junior front-end developer. Look, man. This looks like, this looks like I just rolled my fingers across the keyboard, okay? This just looks like I just... Look, I'm gonna type some Polish for you. There you go. Today, we learned Polish. I don't know. I can't read this. I can see JavaScript, React, SQL. I don't know. It doesn't say anything about salary. We could probably try this out. I don't know. I'm not trying. I'm just playing, by the way, right? I'm not serious. Okay, don't get offended. Just, I can't read Polish. Obviously. I can't read it yet. I shouldn't say I can't read it. But here you go. I don't know. I just saw some clickbait stuff. Let's keep looking for a second here. I could translate it. What am I doing? Why didn't I think about that? What am I doing? Nobody's like, just use Google Translate. Over here, making it way harder than it needs to be. Meet inspiring people from the UK. Hey, thanks, Eddie. Thanks, man. Go sub to Eddie's channel. Don't give me money. Go give Eddie money. I remember when Eddie dropped like 130 pounds once, and I had to do 130 push-ups and actually died. Can you hear the trash man? I feel like it's really squeaky. Just use Google Translate. Oh, there we go. Thanks, man. This looks okay, actually, but it's just internship. I'm looking for ones that are written in English. Do you have a job or something? This is my job. Oh, I translated English to English. Sometimes our dogs come to the office. All right, this looks cool. I don't need to read any more of this. Nothing about years experience. We're a bunch of friends, all kinds of different countries, walks of life, effectively, snacks, super chill, office space. This sounds like something I would write if I had an office. So here you go. This seems like a super dope job. Whoop, create. Do North Pole. I'm sorry, you mean Finland? I'm sorry, you mean Norway? I'm sorry. Here you go. That looks like a cool one for Poland. Here we go. I did India already. No, that's cheating. Okay, I did India. Let's do Ireland. Oh my god. Hold on. I'm going to mute this mic because trash man. Hold on. Trash man was here. Dogs are barking. Hi, what are you doing? I'm looking at jobs. I'm finding jobs for you guys. What software do you use for video editing? I used Adobe Premiere Pro right there. Here you can see. Premiere Pro. I think you want Dublin, right? Birmingham. We got London for the UK right now. Software developer 3. No. Here's one that might be good if you're, well, this is gonna be a big company. Oracle, yep. Java, nope. Principal. So I'm assuming that means like senior in Ireland. Hit me with Boston. All right, I'll add Boston on there. I know Sherm. Sherm is friend in IRL. Okay, Boston for Sherm. How often do you play Fortnite? Never. Thanks for being inspiring and accessible. Excited to see you reach 100K. Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate that. Thank you for those 5 great British pounds. For real. I just try to be accessible. I try to read everything. How much RAM do your PC run on? 64 gigs. Long Beach. I don't have California, but the list is locked. I gotta get to all these other ones. MasterCard. You got a lot of big companies here. I'm really surprised that Apple didn't come up. I know they're probably not in Dublin, but 1 to 3 years. Here you go. This one looks okay. Now I can talk to you. Great. Hey, cool, dude. Welcome aboard. Kurdistan. All right, look. Can someone tell me what website he's using? I'm using Indeed.com. Do Hong Kong? Sure. Here is Dublin. Azerbaijan? We could try. What should I do if my portfolio didn't show in Google? Why do you want your portfolio to show in Google? You show your portfolio when, you know, like, okay, all right. Rip. Let's see. That one seemed pretty decent. South Dakota. I got you, Jonathan. Got you. Front end. Oh, this is a big company, dude. You can tell the companies are huge just by looking at these stars and the reviews. I mean, it's just like, you gotta like think about like how little of a percentage of employees actually go review the company. And so when you have this many reviews, that's a big company. Bangladesh. I think I got that on there. I'm looking for smaller companies. Something that you could like this. 17 reviews. This looks okay. Software engineer. Probably Java. Let's see. Yeah, they don't even care. Oh, wait, hold on. Bachelor's degree plus 3 to 5 years. Okay, hard pass on this. Oh, we just need you to have a master's degree and 2 years experience to do HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. What is on this list that requires a master's degree? Hold on. Saving this job. Saving this job so I can roast it in another video. Terrible. But that's what you get when you have a big company. What's the difference between front-end dev and a web dev? Web dev and front-end dev are just more like, web dev is like a little bit higher, and then you can be like, well, what kind of web dev? Front-end dev. Have you looked up Denver? Not yet. People still use Notepad++? Well, I would do Notion, but I just opened this. Carbase. Let's look at this. It's 30 days though. So all of these are preferred. I would apply to this. You could try. Which country we're doing? The USA? We're doing the United States of America right now. All right, we're doing South Dakota. South Dakota. Okay, it's not South Dakota. Speak English. Look, man, don't tell me what to speak. All right, I speak Atlanta, Georgian. Okay. Why don't you call? You know what this actually called where I'm from? They call this the NASCAR dialect. Okay, Mopar, DuPont. Get yourself some NASCAR parts. Please check out the merch into this. Okay, I'm done. Is Magento good? No. I did India. Not fair. Romania. All right. Let's do Romania. If it's on here. If it's not on here, I can't do it. I'm assuming this is Bucharest. Perfect timing. Nice, man. Competitive. Oh, work from home. All right, here you go. This is all I need to read. There's your Bucharest job right there. Perth. I got Brisbane, Australia on there. That's good. Newark. When was India done? Way up here. I don't know, man. If I lived in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Jonathan, if you're still here, I remember your name. I would look remote. There wasn't a whole lot of options there, to be honest. Would you rather work for a small company? 100%. Always go small, unless you just want to do one thing for the rest of your life, which is not good for you. Brooklyn. I guess this is just right across. Front-end developer. Oh, Michael Kors. You get to be front-end developer for some handbags. What Spotify playlist do you listen to? My own, I guess. This would be my playlist right now. This is just metal. Instrumentals. What I got on here? I got so much stuff. Look. Some metal. Got Uzi Vert. Hyrule the Hero. Some Finnish music. Denzel Curry. Logic. Drake. Bunch more metal. We got some ASAP Ferg. More metal. More. This is all my lifting music. I got some T Grizzly. I like T Grizzly a lot. I got Yachty on here. More T Grizzly. I got a lot of stuff. You're going to be very confused with my playlist. It doesn't make any sense. I like rap, and I like trap, and I like rock. Okay? I'm from a weird background. Why do you have it on the same playlist? Why does it matter? No, Bring Me the Horizon. That's further down the list. It's on there though. Junior software, 85K. Let's see this ask for 5 years. Do you see my comments? Is this private mode? Nope, I don't see it. I got everything on here. What else I got? See, I got Paul Wall. I can't play any of this or I'll get demonetized. Machine Gun Kelly, 21 Savage, what else? Kodak Black, Eminem, Joyner Lucas, Meek Mill, The Game, Migos, Inc., Jeezy. What else? Josh A, Jake Hill. I got a lot of stuff in here. This is a good one. Lilo Key, he's good. Rich the Kid. I got Lil Pump, judge me. Got some dubstep in here. I got Nate Good. Nate Good's good. Futuristic, Future. G-Eazy. Got some Jeezy there. I mean, I don't know. I got regular music like you guys. It's just a... Oh, why do I have this? Oh, I think this was for driving around. Justin Timberlake. Whatever. Oh, there it is. There you go. Bring Me the Horizon. I told you it's on here. Vinny Paz. Oof, that's that stuff that doesn't get played on the radio. I got Flostradamus on there. All right, back to here. I Prevail. Yep, that's on there too. Boring. Well, I mean, you don't have to stay if you don't like it. Oh man. Required C, C++, C Sharp, assembler. Okay. All right, guys, you need to know assembler. What's your take on Everyone Should Code initiative? I don't have a take on it, but that sounds like a dumb statement. Everyone should do what they want to do and just leave the world a better place than when they got here. Tunisia. I cannot use Indeed. Please do my city. But you failed to include your city. So you guys need to know that assembler language, okay? We're not some assembler. This is HR messed it up. Assembly. CTO was like, they need to know assembly. So she came in there. She's like, all right, assembler language, whatever that means. Yeah, this is a garbage job. Garbage job for Newark. Got to know that assembler language. Front end, back end developer internship. What? Ugh. All right, this is what happened with this. This is what happened with this job. The CTO was like, yeah, we need someone that knows front end, back end. So the HR lady literally wrote front end, back end developer internship. Oh man, what is the full stack developer? Are you kidding me? Time to add this on my list of jobs that make no sense. CTO's like, they need to know front end, back end. She literally writes front end, back end. Okay. Cool. You mean to join? Right after I looked at Romania? Oof, yep. You gotta say garbage in that New York, the Jersey accent. I don't know if I can't really do it. I can only do like Carl from Aqua Team Hunger Force. What are you doing? I don't really know what accent this is really, but it's like, it seems like it'd be from the upper kind of like New York, New England area. I don't really know. Maybe this might be New York, might be Brooklyn. I don't know. I've never been there. I don't really know. Just kind of winging it. But you got your classic, you know, car park with your Boston people. Feel sorry for anyone named Mark in Boston. Mark. Hey, Mark. You mean Mark? Sounds like Joe's accent. I mean, Joe's he's from the upper area, you know? I don't really know. I mean, are you Finnish? I'm not Finnish, unfortunately. I almost got Finnish citizenship. Junior full stack developer. This could be okay. Actually, this one's okay too. Michael Kors. Here you go. Mocky Mock. Yep. You should do some Dateline intro. Oh, God. Oh, hi, Mark. Mark. My name is Mark. No, man, it's way too long. Hold on. What do you think about contract job? I think that you're going to be looking for a new job the whole time you have a contract job. Probably. Do London. I definitely moved to Finland. I've been to Finland. I probably wouldn't want to live there. I'd just go visit for the summer and skip. Say, my name is Jeff. Meme. No, I can't do it, but I'll do it for you. My name's Jeff. My name's Jeff. I don't know. I did it right. I did it better the first time. My name's Jeff. Gotta be careful with accents. People start to think that you stereotype and that you're a douche. So that's the way of YouTube. Done. All right, you want Monterey? Oh wait, here you go. Hold on. Let me toss this out here for you too. Jersey City, Joyzy, I guess. I have to think about saying the word Jersey with like J-O-I. But stereotypes are based on truth. I mean, I think they're just based more on a general consensus. That doesn't mean the consensus is truth. That's a pretty ignorant statement there. You guys want to know how to like have an Australian accent? You guys want to know how to say razor blades with an Australian accent? This is what you say. Everybody's going to do it. Rise up lights. All right? So you say that right there. And that's how you say razor blades with an Australian accent. Rise up lights. See? Sounds like razor blades. Ignorant as in straight up racist. Not really. It just means like that sentence wasn't well formatted. Let's see. Intel Core i7 processor. That's how he does it. He has like that little SH kind of like, I don't know if you've seen the Twitch ads. He's like, Intel Core i7 processor. Sir. It's a weird S he has. I don't know who got to do that. Where am I blind? I know I'm missing it. All right, I'm just gonna type it. There it is. Guadalajara is for sure better than Monterey. I think you guys are just saying that because you want me to do that instead of Monterey. Great bait, mate. Are you sure? Because it really looks like there's quite a lot of jobs here. This seems okay. I don't know about that one. This one looks okay. With flexible, could be good. Fluent in English. Yeah, this seems like a good job, I think. Headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. Okay, yeah, so I would do this for sure. You can't add anything more to the list. The list is locked because the list is already 9 miles long. Do you watch cricket? No, I'm not going to waste my time watching cricket. Front-end developer, designer, driver solutions? So I guess the thing will be 1 to 3 years. I would apply to this actually. This seems okay. 1 to 3 years. You can ignore this upper end, but 1 year means they're open to 0 years. Anytime you see 1 year, 1 to 3, that just means like 0. Have you heard of recruiting companies like Robert Half? Have you used them? Yes, and they're complete garbage, and they will ghost you, and they will take you to stage 5, 6, and 7, and then as soon as they find someone else, they'll drop you. You got to remember, the recruiter gets paid based on how much money he can get you. So if he finds another candidate that's going to get the job faster, be more qualified, and get more money, then he gets more money. So he's more incentivized to hire that person over you. I'm just going to put like on the screen like list is locked because it's impossible. That one seemed okay. Timothy, welcome aboard. Do open source and cut out the recruiter. How do you make money with open source? Self-taught with Solo Learn, is that good? Solo Learn is on your phone, right? I'd probably do like free code camp on the computer though. Chicago. All right, my boys in Chicago, here we go. Immediate client project. This sounds like a contract garbage job. Don't do that. Let's see. Spectrum community. Oh, so you want to work for Comcast? Here's the Chicago version of Comcast. People discover you and get work that way. But okay, so Eddie, what you need to explain there is people discover you part. How long does that take, and what do you do to increase discovery rates? Because if you just say people discover you, how long does it take before you start actually getting anything worthwhile, and how long do you have to be doing that, and should you be pushing your own open source brand on the side? Obviously, I'm not going to actually post this because Spectrum is poo-poo, okay? Junior software developer. Ooh, I'm ready to see the ridiculous requirements. Hit me. Oh, it's not actually that bad. TFS is suck, but whatever. I don't know if you guys ever noticed this, but I basically don't even read this. I just scroll down to technical requirements to see if it's anything even kind of decent. Must have eye for detail. Dude, I can't tell you how many times that you'll see these 3 bullet points right here. So you want to see what's coming up. We got Nassau, Bahamas, Glasgow, Scotland, Istanbul, Turkey, Seattle, Valencia, Spain, Athens, Greece. Yeah, we got Bulgaria, Detroit, Netherlands, Switzerland, Shreveport, Louisiana, Portugal, Paris, France, Toronto, Lithuania, Italy, Denmark, Helsinki, Finland, Nashville, Tennessee, Brisbane, Australia, and Boston. As you can see, this list is quite long. This seems okay, actually, so I'd apply to this. Would apply to this. Don't know how much it's paying, though. I'm kind of curious. Let's see. $3.7 out of 5. How much they pay, though? What that pay looking like though? Oh, let's see. We'll continue then. All right, come on, log me in. What do we got? Oh my god, just leave me alone. Sure. Oh my god, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, leave me alone. It doesn't look like they say much, but logistics coordinator makes 58 to 62. So sales associate, I imagine you're probably gonna be making about 50K. Nashville's at the bottom. What was the London job? It was a 49K job, I believe. I linked it earlier. But this one seems good. I'd apply to this one. C# is usually compensated well when it's a decent job. I'm not gonna use LinkedIn for the Bahamas because I don't even think that it's listed. You already did Dallas? Yeah, I did Dallas. Love the consistency. Hey, thanks, Clayton. You make 70K as a full stack right now? It's not bad. So what I would do here if I was a developer and I lived in the Bahamas is I would call these places, such as this place, CGT Contractors and Developers. So if you're in the Bahamas, I would give this place a call, right? Well, okay, so this is probably real estate. Ignore me. Hold on. When I type developers, it's probably thinking like real estate development. Can I do Hungary? Maybe. I gotta get through the list first. See, I don't know if this is gonna work. Here you go. You could call this place right here, CSB Tech Emporium. This is literally all I got. I'm not even... There you go. Somebody call this. Instead of developer search software, yeah, I got it. We got it. No, Hungary? Hungary? Sorry. My name's Hungry. What's your name? The Mickey Mouse laugh. You ever done that on voice chat in pub? Everyone loses their mind. Hey guys, I have an SKS. Anybody need some 762 for my SKS? Everyone is just like, what? Can you shut up? No. The Mickey Mouse laugh gets me every time. Croatia? Dude, there's like no jobs in Croatia. I've already looked. I looked for myself. Alright, we're doing Scotland. Do a smaller European city with no tech companies. No. Because you have given me no, like nothing. Melbourne, Australia is saturated with those horrid jobs you mentioned. No idea what to do. Yeah, I've actually seen a lot of boot camps that are like terrible. Bro, I'm listening to you at work. Why'd you have to make me laugh out loud with that? Osiris Smith. I hope you're having a good day. Hope you're having a real great day in your cubicle listening to me at work. Okay, thanks, Osiris. Let's do Scotland. Let's see. Disney's gonna friggin' DMCA this video because they're gonna think it's actually Mickey Mouse. Rip. That'd be fun. That'd be fun Reddit drama right there. Disney DMCA's me for doing Mickey Mouse voice. Alright. Oh no. Oh no. Trash man's here. Oh no, 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 no. The Vine, dude. I can't say oh no without thinking that. Weird flex, but okay. Exactly. I think, so loud. I'm gonna mute my mic till he goes away. I don't know why these trash people have such squeaky brakes. Hold on. Mickey me happy over here with these impressions, Josh.
Hey, Silver Slayer, I have a little something for you. Would you like me to look up a specific company? Because I can do that, and I'll do it just for you, okay?
We need a developer here. Timothy, I wouldn't have to mute my mic for that. I would just let it rip, man. Better out than in. That's what my mom always said. This is pretty low, but it's junior. But it's still more than London, so could look at it. $30 days holiday. Free gym membership. Access to Pluralsight, Linux Academy, etc. This actually sounds pretty sweet. But don't get enamored. Oh, minimum 2 years. Okay, ignore that. Apply anyways, because this salary does not warrant this.
Why don't you look at Tesla? All right, Silver Slayer, I'll take a look at Tesla for you. Any specific positions that you're looking for?
Scala not paying 30 days. Yeah. I need to get a pop filter so bad. I'd apply there. Istanbul, Turkey. All right. Here we go. Hopefully it exists. Can you do Algeria? The list is locked because the list is 9 years long already. Where's countries? Do I have to zoom out to get that? Oh, it's gonna make me go to com. Okay. Countries. How about Portugal? Small country, starting to get competitive. Why would you work there if it's starting to get competitive? You're in the EU, right? So just move. Did you go through Bulgaria? Not yet. Thoughts on Indeed Prime? Yeah, Indeed Prime is just nothing. No go. Well, I don't know. It could be good. Actually, I think Indeed reached out to me with like an affiliate link. What am I doing? Josh, what am I doing? Why are you not monetizing this? Hold on, let me check my email. Hold on. If I have a link for this that I'm not using, please hold. Hello, my name is Marie. We think your audience may be a great fit for your new affiliate link. Shit. Hold on. What am I doing? Oh my god. Whatever. I'll do it. No money this time. We'll do it again. Whatever. F to pay respects. What am I doing? Have you checked Slovenia? Nope. Have not yet. Have not yet checked. Let me open this little kit real quick. Let me see what I'm missing out on because I feel really dumb for not looking at this yesterday. Affiliate kit. Hold on. How it works. Join. Your audience is valuable. Okay. Well, how does it work? I don't understand. How does it work? Wait. So they want me to basically send you guys. All right, okay, I see what they got here. So they have, this is basically a giant affiliate program for me to tell you guys to sign up for Indeed Prime, when like 10 seconds ago I was like, definitely don't do Indeed Prime. Well, whatever. Can't do an affiliate for everything. I don't think, to be honest, Indeed, if you're watching this, please tell me what the difference is between Indeed Prime and in regular Indeed, because I've never used Indeed Prime and I've gotten jobs just fine. I think Indeed Prime usually would be for like the employer, right? Please Indeed explain to me the benefits in more detail of Indeed Prime rather than trying to just convince me with, hey, you can make money. That's great. I can make money, Indeed, if you're watching this, but you know, I'm not gonna shill your product if I don't think it provides value, okay? It's nothing personal here, but I've gotten jobs fine without Indeed Prime, and I don't think there's really a reason to do it. Honestly, I also think that my viewers don't really probably have that much kind of income to spend, you know? Like they're probably working a job that doesn't pay that much so that they can get a better job. So you think that these people can afford Indeed Prime? Really? Come on, man. Don't make them... These people... I don't know. Sorry, Indeed. Like, I like your website, but I just don't think that people need Indeed Prime. Thank you for trying to offer me more money, but I'm not going to shill your product unless you can really explain that there's value added here. Like, chat, look, there's a lot of people that email me every day, and they want me to shill their products. And I tell them no, because if I wouldn't use it, if I didn't use it, I'm probably not going to shill it. Unless I think you guys really, really want it. I might not use it, but if I know that you guys want, like Algorithm, right? Like Algorithm.io, they gave me an affiliate link, but I don't talk about it that much because honestly, you don't need algorithms unless you want to work at a few big companies. So I don't shill it. Yeah, I could be selling out, and yeah, I could be making money, but you know what I'd rather do? I'd rather talk about my own products. All right? Like I'm not like that, guys. Like I don't want to sell out. I don't want to be a sellout. I don't take garbage sponsorships. It's about being honest. Hold on. We'll just stop for a second because I want to talk about this. It's about being honest and not just taking whatever sponsors throw at you. That's just how it's just like a lot of, like, people will just throw money at you and they'll be like, hey, talk about this. And I'm like, no, I don't want to. Why do I want to talk about your thing when I could talk about my thing and I know my thing actually works? You could throw money at me, but this is the problem that companies have. They think that you're just an influencer, right? Like, oh, you just have to survive by taking our money that we throw at you. Nah, fam. I will run my own business and sell my own products and push my own shit. I don't need yours. Thank you very much. I'm not gonna sell out my dignity. Like, this is about getting you guys jobs. It's like, it's cool. Yeah, cool, great. Like, I make money, cool. But like, at a certain point, it doesn't matter. It's just about helping people. So I'm not gonna. I know that they're watching this stream because they sent me this email and they said that this is we appreciate you. So Indeed, please tell me the benefits of Indeed Prime and how this could help people, because otherwise I'm not going to tell people to buy it that probably don't have that much money to buy it anyways, just so that, like, to be honest, people at Indeed, I tell them ways to not even use your website. Like, I tell them ways to skip your website entirely, because that's what I think makes you stand out. Otherwise, you just get in line. Like, so what? Now you have Indeed Prime, but now you're back of the line of Indeed Prime. Like, come on, man. Like, as much as this is a great website for finding companies, but I just don't. It's just not about that. Like, money's cool, right? But like, as Gary V would say, as Gary V would say, he's like, do you want a moment in time, or do you want like a business and a brand? Like, I don't want a moment in time. I don't want to be a little blip that just makes a bunch of money really quick. I want something long term. I want something that can like help people, and like I want to go visit you guys and go to different places and like, I don't. I just don't take money for any reason. Like, if I'm not going to use it, if I don't believe in it, I'm not going to take it. Hey, look. Dog doesn't like it. Like, you're just going to have a, like, this is how I've tried to like explain to people I could make some really garbage product, or I could have some really garbage link, and I could take the money and put the link there. And you know what that would do? That would not give me enough money to retire. That would not give me enough money to do almost anything. And then my whole entire brand would be ruined. My entire brand would be ruined by just taking one wrong thing. Like I could make some like super garbage guide, like how to get a development job in 3 days, right? And I could sell it, and then I could sell it for like $100, and probably, you know, maybe I'd make $10,000 off of it. But you know what else would happen? Those people that bought it would get burned. They would buy it and they would get burned, and then they would be like, yo, this guy's a fraud. This guy's a sellout. This guy doesn't provide value. He's just in it for the money right now. He's just in it to make money quick. That's all he wants. And then those people would come and just downvote everything that I ever have. And I have $10,000. Was that enough to pay off like 30% of my student loans? It's just not. I don't want like a moment in time. This is like I maybe this sounds kind of lame, right? But I see this something as like Nike, but not, you know, like not in sports, but like a brand that people could get involved in and be part of, like the mission of just documenting what you're doing. That's what this is. This is the most meta thing I've ever done in my life. I'm just documenting what I do all day. I document myself making videos about making videos. I document, like, you know, you spent exactly 333 on college. Yep, 100%. I think you can get away with a few poor choices. Is it a poor choice if I know it's a poor choice, though? If I recognize that this is a really crappy thing to do for my channel, is that a poor choice? No, that just makes me a douchebag. 10K is not enough to change your life. 10K is not enough to retire on. 10K is enough to buy, what, the next graphic card that come out, the 3080 Ti? Like, that's not enough to change your life. That's not enough to retire. That's not enough to do anything. I would have to go back and try to get a job after that, right? No one would want to work with me. I'd rather make, like, you guys get it. I'm done. Did you have debt? I have debt from school. I have about $11,000 to pay off. That's just, I don't know, guys. If you like the channel, maybe hit thumbs up. If you would like to do me a favor, leave a comment on the live stream for the algorithm. YouTube, please don't be mad. You're the most authentic. Look, man, I'm just trying to, I'm not going to sell out. I'm not going to sell out because there's really nothing, there's nothing that I could buy right now. There's nothing that I could, like, physically, materialistically buy that would increase my happiness. You know what helps me happy? Like you guys in the chat that are like, hey, thanks, I didn't know that, Josh. Green pill or red pill? That's an obvious choice. Like, I feel like I'm ranting, you know, but there's really just nothing, no material item I want. So what? I have a bigger house. You know what that is? That's more house to clean. So what? I get a jet ski. Now I have to have a storage place for my jet ski, and I have to have time to use it, you know? Like, yeah, we get it, dude. You don't sell out. Nick is tired of the rant. Stop ranting. Start job searching? I'm not done yet. You can't even buy, yeah, it doesn't matter. There's not a physical, materialistic thing that I want. Like, that's not what makes me happy. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to say. Basically, if you're watching the channel and you're a company or something, I'm only going to take it if it provides value to the people that watch my channel. I'm not going to push your garbage, okay? All right, just want you companies to know that. Open to sponsorships, open to working with you, not for you. Don't try to take advantage of me. Don't try to think I'm just an influencer that has to survive. on taking your sponsorship money and holding up my protein thing and being like, oh, thanks to protein powder XYZ for the whatever, blah, blah, blah. Like, that's how influencers make money. I'm not an influencer. I'm a businessman, you know? I run a business. I'm not an I'm a businessman that is also an influencer. But I don't just influence to take money and influence. Sorry. I run this shit like a business. And a lot of people don't respect that. A lot of people, like, let's see. Protein powder XYZ stock about to go up. But you guys know what I'm talking about. All those girls and guys on Instagram that are like, thanks for sponsoring me. Use my code for 10% off. I see you're very emotional about this. You can say emotional. I prefer the word passionate about it. But let me just, like for example, Coursera. Coursera hit me up. And they basically dismissed all of my ideas that I had. They were like, hey, Josh, we want you to push this link and push this course. And I was like, I'm not going to push your link and I'm not going to push your course. Sorry. I'll talk about it. I'll be like, hey, this is the thing. You can go check it out. And they're like, well, our goal is to sell the end course, right? Our goal is to sell the whatever. Like, you have to pay for the course. But everything on Coursera is free, you know? And I was like, why would I tell people to go buy this when they can do it for free? Well, we're trying to sell our certificates, Josh. And I was like, but your certificates don't mean shit. Sorry, Coursera. But that's how it is. Your certificate's not going to do anything. I was like, we can talk about it. And I'll show people that this course is here. And you can pay me for that. But I'm not going to tell them that your certificate's going to do something for them that they're not. Did you agree on anything with Skillshare? Skillshare did the same thing, and I was like, I'm not gonna endorse this, but I'll be like, hey, this is the thing. You can go look at it. That's the only thing I will ever say for any sponsorships. I will say, hey, this is the thing, guys. Go look at it. I will never say, hey, this is the thing, and this is the best thing in the world. Go get it. Never, ever. I will never, ever say that unless I truly believe it's good. Sherm, we have not. Revitures is having an open house. Revitures is the most garbage boot camp ever. Sorry, Reviture, if you're watching. But I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Dev Mountain's never sponsored me. Code Dojo's never sponsored me. They've never even asked. What about Coursera Degrees? Sorry, nope. Someone clip this and post it to Reddit about how influencers not like they don't want to sell out, right? Like they want you to push their thing, and I'm like, no, sorry, I'm not gonna do it. It's annoying. Oh, let's see. Daniel says you talk about the same thing the whole time. Okay, well, have fun. There's more to life than just job searching for you. Did I mention that I'm doing the work for you for free? And you're upset that I'm not doing more work for you for free? That seems a little bit entitled there, Daniel. So skip open house? Dude, skip open house, block the number. I'm not saying the courses on Coursera are bad, okay? I'm not saying the courses on Coursera are bad. They're definitely good. But I'm not going to say you need to pay to get this certificate. I'll just say, hey, this is the thing. Go check it out. And then, so the thing is, we had an agreement to do more videos, but because people didn't click on the link and buy the course, because I didn't say to do that, they're like, oh, sorry, our videos didn't perform as well as they thought. We're not going to be working with you anymore. And I was like, cool, whatever, dude. I don't care. I'll make my own money. University accredited coded. There is none. Sorry, that doesn't exist unless it's Trilogy, which is also garbage. What's your favorite programming language? Whatever gets the job done. Look, guys, I'm just trying to like, with how much a year can you live comfy? It's not how much a year can you live comfy. It's what are your expenses you need to be able to live comfy. And define comfy. Is comfy like a Ferrari? Is comfy salad every day? Is comfy drinking water? Or do you need fancy wine? Like, do you think I can make enough money with a job so I can live comfortable? What does that mean? What do you need to live comfortable? I don't understand. Just, like, I could probably, look, I bet Indeed probably hit me with another email, like, right now. Like, well, Josh, we're going to have to, oh, look, I do have emails. I don't know. Look, I'll show you, here, let me tell you about another sponsor that someone wanted to give me another day ago. Someone wanted me to take their business proposal and shill their platform, and which they told me they will give me students that I can pick from, and I will be able to take 7% of their salary if I get them a job coding. And I'm like, okay, you're not providing any value here. Can you please keep going with the job offers? How about you enjoy a ban as well? Anyways, I was like, why would I do that myself? You know? I get passionate about this stuff. Okay, there's more to life than looking for jobs for you guys. You gotta understand, once you get the job and you have the money, then what are you gonna do? Like, what happens after that? What else? Some dude hit me. I presume you are the CEO. Well, just all these people that feel like, I guess, entitled, I suppose, for me to like, can you just shut up and look for a job for me? Like, what? Can you just stop talking about what you want to talk about, Josh, and just like look for jobs, okay? Yeah, you know? Brian, what up? Michael? I don't know. Keep making projects after you get a job? Just got a new bike. You still ride? Sure do. Any programming podcasts or books? Why would you listen to programming podcasts? What do you do for a living? Are you happy? Do you have any regrets? I think everyone has some regrets. What about Coursera Online Master Degree? Are they worth it? Sorry, Coursera. No, I don't think they're worth it. Are you banning? I was banning the people that were like, shut up and just look for jobs for me. Dude, if you want me to shut up and look for jobs, just go to Indeed.com and look for jobs yourself. No big deal. You saw I did it for like an hour already. This thing? It's a wolf tooth. Do you have any videos on behavioral interviews? Not really. The title says you pick a job. I find a location. That could be why. Yeah, it could be. Could be. Why do you want a Django job? Why not just get a Python job? Any thoughts about a Nano Degree? I don't think a Nano Degree is going to do anything for you. I think Udacity itself is a good platform and the curriculum is good. Coursera is a good platform and the curriculum is good. Do I think that the certificate at the end or the Nano Degree at the end will help you? Not really, no. I think that if you put that on your resume, your jobs are going to be like, sorry, no. You're going to look like a joke. You're going to look like a guy that doesn't know any better. Have you watched Chernobyl? No. Starting to learn front end. Already learned HTML, CSS, JS. What's the next step? Probably jQuery. Everyone's going to get mad. I'm going to say jQuery. What do you think about Udemy courses? Udemy courses are good, but you just got to find the right teacher. Using any of the thumb keys on your Coursera when coding? No, I don't. No. I don't code that much. I don't code just to code. I don't code for a job. I don't code to build an application. I make videos about code and how to get a job. You have a front end Nano Degree, and nobody cares. Yep, nobody cares. Is Bootcamp worth? Depends which one. Depends on your premise. Depends how much you got to pay. Depends on how much money you got to save and live. Thoughts on Python as a primary skill? Python is good. Udemy is at 99% deals all the time. So the reason that Udemy is at 99% all the time is just to make it, it's called a marketing tactic, like a fear of missing out. You guys have heard of FOMO before, fear of missing out. So Udemy is a very, very big player in that market. So basically everything's marked off 99% off at the for a limited time. So you have a fear of missing out. Robert, what's up, man? Like, seriously, it's like, congratulations, it's Thursday sale, 99% off. Like, Udemy's always got sales. So they're not really sales. It's just a marketing tactic to make you feel like you're missing out on a sale. And then if you want, you can just use a VPN. If you're imagine some people actually pay $200. It doesn't ever come off of 99% off. That's the meme. The only way people pay $200 on LinkedIn or Udemy is if it's enterprise pricing and you're buying it for, would you ever want to create your own coding bootcamp? No, I think I'd create a bootcamp for how to get jobs. Lots of code bootcamps already. Nothing about how to get a job really after. Everything's just like, we have alumni support. Oh, you mean customer support? That's what that is. You call it what you want, though. Free code camp is great to start. Isn't that illegal? Fake discounts. It's not a fake discount. It's just an unlimited discount. Nothing illegal there. What do you think about Mr. Beast? He makes a lot of money. Most of his money that he has is given to him by sponsors that he then gives away. TEDx MicroMasters are the real deal. I don't really know too much about that, but I don't think any certificate or any Nano Degree or any of that is going to do much for you. A degree, your paper doesn't mean anything. Sorry. Some companies care, some HR cares, but those HR don't even know what HTML or CSS or JavaScript means on the application anyways. Not Phil then. Why'd you pursue mechanical engineering? What? Mechanical engineering is garbo. Is computer science or software engineering better? I think software engineering is going to be, I don't know. Neither. What do you think about EDX? I'm saying the courses on all of these platforms are good. The courses on all the platforms are good. Their certificates at the end, nothing. Flatiron Academy has a garbage ISA and they teach Ruby on Rails. But they have a flexible schedule, and I think that the way they offer content is fine. But I think financially the way they market it is really lame. I don't know. Guys, if you like the stream, you want to help me do better, hit thumbs up. Maybe leave a comment for the algorithm. Rayman, here, look, dude, I got you, fam. Hold on. You hit me with the $2, Rayman. Hold on. Let me get you, fam. Oh, that's $4, I believe. Belmont University. No, don't work for full. Don't work for a non-profit or a for-profit university. This looks okay. Free Costco membership. That's like an actual perk. That's like an actual kind of unique perk. Work with amazing people. Okay, look, that's very subjective. Can you please job search now? All you're doing is complaining and answering questions in a rude manner. Here you go, Zach. Enjoy. What JavaScript course to take on Udemy? Jonas's course. Finland, Helsinki, yeah, dude. I don't know. I think Rayman, this would be good. If you're still there. You want Vancouver? Alright. Got you. Got you, Matt. Can I do Croatia? Maybe. We got a huge list to go still. We're getting there, but... Not looking for a job. Cool, you're doing... Hey, thanks, man. Java course on Udemy? I don't know anything. Can you tell them... Instead of banning, can you tell them to watch the vid from the start? Ah, they're just salty, dude. Can you please keep job searching for me while I sit here and demand that you do things for me? Okay, cool, man. Cool, dude. You went to Vancouver. Most of the time I don't ban and people can just like get mad and they can have different opinions and that's great and I don't ban. But then you start demanding things. When it's already for free. The Jonas you meant, who? They're literally like 10. It's like Jonas's JavaScript course. It's like people that get mad at ads in videos. It's like, oh my god, too many ads, unsubscribed. And I'm like, okay, well the content's free for you anyways. All you gotta do is press the skip button and help me pay my mortgage because it's free for you. You do nothing, but they're like, oh, what is this inconvenience? Oh. Okay, cool, man. It's like, the content's free for you anyways. Shopify could be okay. I know Shopify is pretty big. Should I pursue a degree? Okay, you should stop that sentence right there. Should I pursue a degree? No, not for this field. This could be okay. Oh, Ruby on Rails. Oof. 8:30 to 5. 30 minutes unpaid vacation. Diverse culture. Dynamic work environment. That's every work environment. You know what this means? Dynamic work environment. This means your deadlines change all the time. That's what this means. I did Germany already. Computer science bachelor's is no longer yeah, no, it's not. Why do you think degrees are useless? Because I think that what you learn on the job and what you learn at college are unrelated. Thanks, bro. Take it easy. Gotta go back to state. Raymond, you don't have to give another 2, dude. You want to play Dead by Daylight? I don't have it. Why did you met at Ruby on Rails? Because Ruby on Rails is a lot of fighting. A lot more fighting than developing. It seems okay, though. Oh, nope. What you offer? You offer a full-time diploma. Okay. There you go. He linked it. That course right there. Do you do YouTube full-time? I do a lot of things full-time, but YouTube is a piece of it, yes. I'll link it here, but I don't think it's the best. Rails is a lot of behind-the-scenes magic with all the gems that are installed. And so if you want to do something custom that Rails doesn't specifically offer, you're going to have a hard time. Here you go. What programming languages? I think most people are going to say HTML and CSS. Those aren't programming per se, but then JavaScript and maybe Python. Isn't it easier to get your first job with a degree? Nope, that's a meme. That's a meme. So when I interview people, some dude's like, well, I went to blah, blah, blah university and I have a degree. And I'm like, okay, well, do you know how to like do this open source like JavaScript calendar application right here? And they were like, well, you know, I mean, we learned Java, but I'm sure I was like, okay, well then get out of here because you can't do it. Whereas the dude with the Bootcamp comes in, he's like, yeah, we did JavaScript at Bootcamp. Okay, cool. What would you do for this? He's like, I would just do this and change this. And I'm like, oh, cool. Because you you just, it's not the same skill set that you need to do the job. It's like mechanical engineering. I diss on that too, and I have a mechanical engineering degree. What I learned at college was not anything I did. I did like Excel sheets and Word docs and PowerPoint presentations, and I did a bunch of like 3 years of statics and dynamics. When am I doing this? Nope, just click a button. This seems pretty cool. They're not asking. I think this channel not suited for me. Bye. All right, dude. Thanks for hanging out. See you later. Do you think college is worth it for the connections you make? No, I think college is worth it for maybe friendship connections, but not job connections. A lot of people go to college and then they make a friend that has a dad that knows a guy, blah, 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 blah. A degree is a filter. I mean, kind of, but if you skip the filter, then it doesn't matter. You can skip the HR filter. Just call them and think outside the box and be so creative in your job approach that it doesn't matter. The Patreon link and the Nightbot's not working. Rip. Yeah, college is a must for doctors. Probably not even lawyers. It just helps. There's just like, to be honest, like, I don't know, you can like defend yourself. I don't think college connections benefit you in terms of a job search. More of a, what do you mean, be more creative? Like call HR or show up and be like, hey, I want a job, or find the dude's email and email the CTO directly and skip HR. Like, Seattle. I'm not trying to make this a negative stream, guys. So here, just let me just like pay respect for you real quick to all the people that managed through my rant and all the people that I banned that were like, keep doing what you do. So I'm a F to those guys. They're probably not here anymore, but with the same mentality, you could easily say that high school is worthless. Okay, look, high school is high school is different than college, and you know it. But you can play Mr. Devil's Advocate if you want. There's always those people that are like, well, if you say that, then by extension you could do that. Okay, dude, I get it, man. Play Devil's Advocate. We can go down that route. And you want to be, well, technically that's incorrect. Okay, cool, dude. You do you, fam. I try to keep it positive, all right? This is about getting you guys jobs and showing you what to look for. But I'm still going to hold my opinion, and you're entitled to yours. What are some of the things you can do with graphic design? Why go to middle school? See, Jonah gets it. Why even go to elementary school? Why even go to school? Perfect. Why not just like move to Never Never Land with Peter Pan at this point? This is really bad. James Michaels, 30 to 40 a year. Yeah, this is a joke. I bet they require like 7 years experience. Look at this. 30 to 40,000 in Seattle, Washington. 2 years required. Required. Look, let me show you what this looks like. Apply now. Theodore. Hold on, who am I going to be? I'm going to be James. No, I'm going to be Arthur Dent. And I'm going to be at gmail.com. And I'm going to be, don't get doxxed real quick. All right, it didn't work. Okay, cool. What should we upload? Should we upload a picture? I might upload like a picture to them for my resume so I can show you what this looks like. Seattle, Washington is really expensive. So what should I upload here real quick? I need some sort of PDF. Oh, here we go. Oh, I can't do a PNG. All right. Maybe I could change it to be PDF. Dang it. Lecture notes. I'm trying to look for some PDF that I have that I can upload. Maybe I'll just upload like hotkeys config or something. No, that's not good. I just want to show you what it looks like. Spicy content. Hey, thanks, man. I'm just trying to find a whatchamacallit here, PDF. Saved resource. Here we go. Does this work? Dang it. It's too small. Josh is in my room. What up, dude? Just download anything from Google with PDF. Okay, hold on. Let me just get that free PDF real quick. Here we go. Oh, come on. Yo, what's up, dude? You should find a job. Okay, will do. Start downloading. Oh, are you gonna make me pay? So it's free, but it's not actually free. Get wrecked. Okay, cool. Must give credit. All right. Sorry, chat. I'm trying to get one here. Get a random user manual. I got one. I got a resume here. I'll open it up for you guys. I don't even have Word. Whatever. Anyways. So here's the garbage, and we'll drop this in here. And I don't need a cover letter. I'm just going to continue. All right, look. You see this part right here where it says how many years of experience do you have? If you put anything but 4, this will not get sent. Anything before, it will not get sent. And if you put anything, well, if you put none, but you could put these here, but it says education there. Let me reopen this so I can show you side by side. So right here, it says, or 2 years experience required. So if you put anything in this box other than 2, it will not get sent to the person that made this job post. If you put anything other than high school, it will not get sent. Are you able to work in Seattle, Washington? Required. Again, if you put no, it will not get sent. That's how it works. Anyways. Only 40 and yeah, it's a joke. This is a joke. So I'm gonna add this to my list of joke companies. Absolute Billy Bonkers. I think we're doing Helsinki, right? You play Dotes? Nah, I'm not good at it. Can't micro. I coded before the internet. How can I get a job in the US as a German? Go to Stack Overflow and find a visa provided job. That will do the trick. Can you look for a job in Ireland? I did Ireland already. So if you like back up the stream a little bit, you can find it. Anyways, Finland. I'm just gonna put Tieto Kone, see what comes up. Yeah, no, I'm not. Nope, not even gonna try to read this Finnish. GG. Ata software. Call it a day. Oh, would you like to be first and know about new workplaces? I think that's what that says. And this says, give the workplace your... what is that word? I know that word. And this says email. Actually, you want to know what this says? This says electronic mail address. Any help with Lambda School? What do you mean? Did you do UK? We did London. How do you know those resumes don't get sent? Does this happen for every site? Love the content. So the resumes don't get sent when it's in parentheses and it says required because the person making this, the person that makes the job post decides if it's required or not. And then if you don't fit the description of whatever says required, it doesn't get sent because I made one. I did India already. Did Canada. I did Vancouver. Doing Finland right now. Microsoft, that's too easy. We got Oulu, 3 years experience. Yeah, no, this is, no. More Oulu. What? Oh, here, this is cool. Timo. Yeah, you could message Timo here. I don't know, this one actually looks pretty dope. People in Finland are pretty open to conversation. I mean, they're not very open to conversation except for like when they have to talk to you, but you know, they think outside the box. Here you go. Did I do San Jose? You might as well just look for San Francisco, Alexis. But I didn't do it yet. No, I didn't do California yet. Can I do a job in India? I did. You want me to do UAE? Maybe. Websites say Austin, Texas have the best pay to quality of life or cost of living. It depends. I mean, you can have a pay to cost of living, but if you go out and you buy a Ferrari, your cost of living, like, you know, like that what are the cost of living standards based on? Are you driving a 1999 Honda Accord or something? Can we break that down? All right, this Finland is done. Nashville is done. Brisbane is not done. I'm gonna power through these because I think this is kind of getting drawn out here. If you enjoy the stream, maybe hit the thumbs up before you head out. Toronto, I did Vancouver. What? Can you please find a job? I think what you got to do for that. I can't disclose, or you'll just hear a giant FBI open up. Okay. All right. Brisbane. What other sites? Let's see. Stack Overflow. And apply for something else and say senior dev, and this is what? Hey Josh, do Manhattan. Not yet. The list is done. And when I finish this, it's done. Junior property, no, I don't want that. Junior backend, maybe that. Full stack dev, that's probably going to be lots of experience. That's a lot of money. For Morocco, I don't know. I don't know Arabic and I don't know French. Can I make a good living working as a graphic designer full time? It depends on your job paying you. I mean, I don't know. This looks okay. C#. Yeah, I would apply this if you're in Australia. What do you think about Colt Steels? Colt Steel is like very popular, but It's called Bootcamp, but I think it's more of a buzzword. It's more like Colt Steele's general overview of web development. But Bootcamp is the word that sells, so you know. You know? Denmark. What would this be? DN maybe? Nope, I was wrong. I don't know what the extension is. What is it? Oh, DK. Ah, close. This could be okay. I'm just skipping C# because I'm so done. This could be okay as well. Angela Yu. I don't know. I've never taken her courses. You are sharp-minded. Okay. All right, here you go. All right, boom. This is what you need for Denmark because of the phone number right there. Skip all this. Don't even click apply. Just call the number. Yeah, graphic design is so huge, dude. Graphics design is like UI, UX, could be paper graphic design, newspaper design, like all kinds of stuff. What's a good salary for UX design, front end, and full stack? They're very different salaries based on those titles. Full stack is probably paid the most. Front end, I don't know. College grad, 50K? We gotta do Italy now. Three years experience. I would apply anyways. This would be the job I would pick. Then no, that's the wrong one. 1 to 3 years. Yeah, here you go. We'll do Bulgaria, I guess. Except it's not here. Yep, not there. No Bulgaria. We'll do Greece. There it is. Can anyone help me access the Lambda School for free? It has everything open, dude. Developer. Athens, yeah. A lot of this is probably just going to be Athens. I think the Greek, like, written language is super cool. Looks super cool. Can't really read it, but it looks like it'd be cool. Junior PHP dev. This could be good. Is Indeed the best? Why? No, it just has the easiest way to find different countries. Can anyone help me access the Lambda School for free? I'm from Morocco. Look, dude. No. Part-time position. Oof. But you could try. Dude, what's up, Anthony? How to learn to test code. You gotta, I mean, you see if it works, right? Have you used mechanical engineering knowledge in the CS field? I mean, no, not really. Root cause analysis, maybe. This could be good. PHP dev. What else we got? Sweden. There's a lot of stuff in Sweden. Maybe I should just work my way down the country list. That'd be fun. Visual FX. Oof, no, Visual FX is bad. Bad job. Can't read this. It's lunchtime later, dude. Wow, it's live, dude. Welcome. Welcome aboard. Gotta go see you, Brian, later. We're looking for a developer who's constantly learning. Oh, here you go. Yep, this is all I need to read. We're looking for a developer who's constantly learning. All you need right here. Switzerland? Do you like Joma? I don't know him. He seems like he's probably a cool dude. Zurich, maybe. Junior front end. Oh, all right. So here's a good one for you. This one actually really good. We're looking. I think it says. Let's see. Blah blah blah. We're looking. Currently, we are 3 developers plus 1. So this is a super small team. They want you to know English. Yeah, here you go. This would be cool. Are you the perfect match? Yeah, definitely this one for Switzerland. Could you try out Indianapolis, Indiana? Daniel, we did Indianapolis, Indiana. Right here. Done. Well, actually, that's Chicago. Here, done. We did this one earlier. Do you like tacos? I had some burritos last night. And then she left. And then I went and got tacos. Portugal. Let's see. Oh, my bad. I didn't send it. There you go. Just tuned in because I got my break. All right, dude. Thanks for hanging in. Why would a company need a junior dev for a night shift? That sounds like you're from like you'd be on call. Who formatted this? What you can expect. We believe we're our best. We're committed. Like what? It doesn't look that bad though. Did I translate this? Yeah, it's already English. No experience required for Portugal. Would definitely apply here. I'm from the US, yes. Paris, France. Everything is in French. Full stack looks okay. Could be good. Gotta tune out. Y'all have fun later, dude. Thanks for hanging. Oh my god, they literally want you to know everything. PHP, JavaScript, Node, CSS, Golang is a plus, Symfony 3, Docker, Kubernetes, all of the operating systems. Oh, we also need you to know AWS, SQS, Bucket S3, Lambdas, PHP unit, Apache. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I mean, I guess they want everything. Apprenticeship. I guess this is what you get. France. 100K in 3 months. What? What are we talking about? Sorry if I seem like less energy. I think I need to get like a. Let me go get a drink real quick, chat. I think I need to.
I think I need to wet my whistle.
So y'all hang in. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a drink. All right. I've been talking like nonstop. I'll be right back. I went to go get a drink, chat. Sorry. Gotta get my ice. Everyone left. Yeah, I'm not doing it for me. I'm doing it for you guys. That one seemed okay. Let's come back. Come on. Let's see. I did all these. Oh, Valencia, I didn't do that yet. Welcome back. Everyone left, but it's all good. Oh, you wanted Valencia, my bad. This looks okay. I usually look for English ones. So that means your coworkers are going to be from different places. You're going to get that more cultural experience. Hello, what up? Welcome aboard. Did you bring me something? I have some Tech Lead Coke Zero right now. Did you try to start your own dev agency? Not really. Love the channel, Capital Dexter, and the work you put into it definitely helps me stay motivated. Hey, thanks, man. Thanks for the $5. I appreciate that. Seriously, thank you. Thanks everyone for watching, really. I'm not done, but F to pay respects to you guys. I try to answer everything, but I just don't see a lot of questions. So I'm just going to keep looking. Oh, that's Sweden. Switzerland, Portugal. Oh, thanks. Started Lamb School on July 8th. Do you know anything about the job hunt part of the program? Yeah, I know that you're job hunting now during the program, but after the program, there's also like dedicated job boot camp pretty much. Props from California, self-taught here. I've been working in this for 14 years. Hey, Mike, thanks, man. Mike Namara. I like that last name. McNamara. Is that McNamara? That's a cool name. Can you job hunt in Houston, Texas? I did Dallas earlier. Could you do Leeds? I did London earlier. I did Germany earlier. What's your opinion on degree apprenticeships? Getting a degree while working. Yeah, that sounds fine. It's just up to you. Do you think that's going to benefit you later? Could you do Detroit? Yeah, I'll do Detroit too. I haven't done that one yet. This one looks, I think this says 2 years experience at work. Oh, no, wrong one. Yeah, 2 years experience at work. Salary to be agreed according to the candidate's value. Oof. But what you'd want to do here is try to find their thing. Thanks for the $5, guys. I appreciate that. I've never been, you know. It's a humbling experience to be able to do this for you guys. Sorry if I get a little bit salty sometimes, or I rant, but you know, I'm human like you. Stop ranting and look for jobs. Okay, got it, chat. I just, you know, try to catch myself every now and then. Just be appreciative for what you guys are doing, for being here with me. Anyways, I think we wanted Detroit. I said I'd do Detroit. Try to invest in some coffee. I'm the only dev that doesn't drink coffee, dude. I swear. I did Seattle a little earlier. There was only a couple. Did he get the 8,000 hours done yet? No, Dima. He's got like 500 or 600. He needs way more. This is a K70 Corsair. Almaden. Oh, we want developer. Maybe. Web dev. I don't know where Farmington Hills is. Is that close to Detroit? We can look at it. Ish, kind of ish. Hourly, oof. Ferndale? The hell's Ferndale? Making a habit of this live. What's up, man? Welcome aboard, Mold. Have you planned anything for when you hit 100K? I think a couple people in the Discord said they would come visit me. They would all fly out. People that were here from like day one, all the moderators. The only person I've ever met from YouTube was Patrick, and that was weird. But I would like to go meet the people that were here like day one. They're like, Josh, you get 100K, I'm coming out. All the people I've interviewed usually are moderators. I don't really know. I don't know. I wish I could do like some big giveaway or I don't know, like a meetup or something. I don't know if anyone would come. Can you look up a job for me if I do the link? Yeah, sure. Can you do Houston? I did Dallas earlier. What was that job in Ferndale? I'm looking at it. But the thing, it says 2 years experience, but it doesn't say junior, so that's fine, right? Again, you're going to have this stuff here. Let me show you what I mean. If I click apply and I do Arthur Dent. Arthur Curry. Let's just be Aquaman. YOLO. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Curry. Let's just do Aquaman@gmail.com. And then we'll be Arthur Curry. And we'll do, be sure 1, 2, 3, 4 is correct. Yeah, that's correct. I promise that's correct. So let me show you. So it says, how many years experience do you have? If you put anything less than 2, it's not going to get sent. If you put anything less than 1, like 3 months, it's not going to get sent. And then it's, okay, so let's just do it. We'll just do, I have 2 years, 1 year. Well, I'll just put 2 for, I'll put 3, 2, 2. It's going to ask me again. I have 2 years. What's the highest you have? I'm a doctor. Are you able to work? Because location is required. Yes. Continue. Do you speak English? Wow. Why does that matter? Why is that a question? Are you authorized? Wow. What excites you about this? Please describe your interest in working with us. So if you really wanted to do it, you would go. You would go and you would Google logic drop. So let's do that before I actually claim to be Aquaman here. Aquaman was a good movie, though. It was a really good movie. What did I miss? Oh, he wanted me to look at the specific job at ZipRecruiter. Sure. 45 to 65. Here's the best part. You'll be working. You'll be making a positive impact. Well, why would you be making a negative impact? Come on. This is a remote. Well, could be good. Sounds fine, I guess. I don't know. This seems a little bit memey. I bet this is really saturated. I'd apply, but I think ZipRecruiter is a bad website, so I wouldn't use it. Happy Thursday, Chris. So what you do is Google logic drop, and we'd read about it a little bit before we apply. What you eating there, buddy? Oh, you eating ice cubes? Oh, you like ice cubes, don't you, buddy? We might need a puppy time break here in a second. Oh, they do. Developer intern. Ugh. Why do they offer this? Garbage company alert. Developer intern. So this is a classic example of when a company offers full stack developer, developer intern, web application developer. The person who doesn't know any better is going to apply to developer intern here. When in reality, you could just skip this completely and apply to this. I'm going to add this to my list of garbage companies. So people that like the difference in this job and this job are probably really similar. Let's see. Bachelor's, whatever, 2 years experience. And what is the intern? Probably 2 years experience. Oh, all you got to do is be passionate. Okay. All right. Let's see. Recently completed a degree. So the only difference is the degree and, quote, 2+ years. Really nothing else different here. So for the actual web application developer, all you got to do, all you have to do is have a bachelor's in 2 years. You don't even have to be, If I don't meet the job's requirements, you're basically saying lie. I'm basically saying do what you can to skip HR, basically. I'm basically saying the person who wrote this is not the person who's going to sit down with you in the interview. That's what I'm saying. The person who wrote this job application is not the person that you're going to sit down with and talk to about this job. That's why you can safely ignore this and send your application anyways. I'm not saying lie. I'm just saying pay this no mind. Do what you can to get your application sent. All right? Because I highly doubt the CTO made this and typed it up himself. Because he's too busy doing code things. He just told HR. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. But if you really wanted to apply anyways, you would just research it like this. You'd see what products they do, documents they do. Oh, it's like a drag and drop builder. I don't know. Looks like garbage product, to be honest. People that could spend 2 minutes doing Photoshop. The person who wrote that's probably one of the developers. Well, the person who wrote this, even if they are the developer, they're being unfair. There's no difference between this intern. Let's see. Strong attention to detail. Strong attention to detail. What else we have? Basic understanding of internet architectures. What do we have over here? Understanding of that stuff. Development experience. What do we have over here? Development experience with the exact same technologies. There's no difference between intern and web developer besides this arbitrary 2+ years. That's all I'm saying. And then I think Louisiana was on there too. What's the name of this monitor? It's an Asus 1440p. No, that wasn't for intern, Lidor. That was the actual web dev. I was just saying the difference between the two was 2 years experience. I'm saying the difference in responsibilities was not that much. Yeah, I mean, I like how the web developer says that all you have to have is a degree and 2 years experience, but the intern says you need to have recently completed a degree and be passionate. Well, shouldn't that be part of the web developer one? Shouldn't you be passionate about being a web developer? Nope, you just need 2 years experience and a degree. Okay, makes sense. What were you saying makes the web developer intern job worse? The pay? You're going to get paid to do the same thing as the other dude. Like, 2 years experience is pointless. Like, there's a lot of people that hustle in college that have the equivalent of knowledge that you would do for 2 years. It's just arbitrary number. Don't mean anything. I applied to jobs that had like 6 years experience all the time, and I got interviews all the time. Did I pass all the interviews? No. But I got interviews because I didn't care. Oh, we want a developer, I think. This is the last one. What's up, Jamie? David. Lost. Yeah, maybe. Entry-level software dev. Oh, God. Ravature. Avoid at all costs. There's like nothing here. Where is this? Maybe we should look where this is. How do you deal with the rejections on the interviews? I mean, why do you want to work with somebody that doesn't want to work with you? If you apply to a job and you get rejected, why are you upset about it? They don't want to work with you, dude. It's like when you're a kid and you want to play with other kids and the kids don't want to play with you. They don't want to play with you. Leave it be. Just go do your own thing. That's the same thing with jobs. They don't want to work with you. Why do you want to work with them so bad? Like, they clearly have decided you're not worth anything, so you got two options to be like, all right, well, they don't want to work with me. I'm going to go find people that do find my value. Or you try to white knight and you try to like, oh, I can change their mind. I'll prove my value to you. Because Revature's a boot camp that caps you at $20 an hour for 2 years. So pass. That was basically, I don't know, like, just don't worry about getting rejected. And then number 3, you didn't lose anything you already had. No one took anything away from you at all. No one took anything at all. You didn't lose anything. Maybe some time to do the interview, but you probably learned something, so it's really a gain. I'm just looking where this is in Louisiana. Yeah, so this is in like the middle of nowhere, Louisiana. Yeah, this is a difficult one. $400K a year. There you go. You imagine the interview process for $400K a year? It's like literally 35 interviews. Interviews end up being fun, or they can be a huge pain depending on the people doing it, especially if you're the last interview of the day. I mean, so, like, I think, what was her name? Theodore Roosevelt's wife, I believe, was quoted saying something like, the inability of someone else to see your value does not detract from your value. That just means that they don't think that you're worth anything, but that doesn't mean that you're not worth anything, man. Just because you didn't lose anything. Yeah, there's like nothing in Shreveport. I think I'm done looking at jobs. We've been doing this for 2 hours and 27 minutes. So we'll do some Q&A for like half hour, and then I'm going to go make a video. But what I'm going to do probably is find some ridiculous LinkedIn. My next one's going to be like LinkedIn craziness. And there's insane job cultures that I think are really bad. So we'll just turn this into a Q&A. I'm not going to do any more jobs because there's nothing in Shreveport. I looked. I did India. I didn't. We'll do another stream of this in a couple days, but I tried. So I'll answer questions. And I'm gonna look for some ridiculous stuff here. Thanks for your time. Hey, Lewis, thanks, man. Yeah, there's some. Oh, there it goes. Why is ZipRecruiter a bad site? It's just an aggregator. Hold on, I gotta change my battery. It's dark, guys. I'm afraid. Please hold. What do you think of WGU? I think it's a joke. Maybe it overheated. I don't actually know. Please work. I'm back. You always prefer Windows? Yeah, dude, I love Windows. How do I get a job at a big company if I'm fresh? You gotta apply and do data structures and algorithms. Why is WGU a joke? I don't know. It's like just it's all online. Like, how do you get a bachelor's of science with a bunch of math and stuff online? How do you take calculus 3 online and don't cheat? Are you kidding me? Let me find some ridiculous stuff in here. LinkedIn is like the best for drama. What separates Lambda School? They're different. They're not even the same. One's not a college. Front end or back end? My guess is front end. Full stack. What payment gateway do you use? I use PayPal. ABC, always be coding. I don't know about all that. I think always be solving problems would be better. Always be provide value. Do you stream in 4K, 2K, or 1080? I think this is 1080, maybe 720. I'm not sure. What did I miss? The exams are all proctored at WGU. How? If the exams are all online, how is it proctored? What's stopping me from getting my laptop and opening up this Calculus 3 answer? If they make you come in and they proctor it, yeah, sure, then it's not a joke and I take it back. Oh yeah, 1440p? So it's 2K then, I guess. That's nice. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe WGU, is WGU for profit? I'm not sure if it's for profit or not. I'm against all for-profit universities. They proctor with webcam. Okay, so what's to stop you from just like recording yourself sitting there and I don't know. Like that's so easy. They have a webcam on you and you can't have anything at your desk. Okay, what's to stop me from having something slightly behind where I reach and do this? There's so many ways that you could cheat. Come on. Like I could just get a recorded video of me doing the test online. Like, you know, I don't know. You could cheat. You could cheat if you wanted. All schools are for profit. Yes, I get that all schools are for profit, but there are actually for profit, like DeVry and Phoenix and Capella and Strayer and all those other BS, not real universities. That sounds like too much effort. I mean, it is. But, you know, maybe I'm wrong. I could be wrong. I'm open to being wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. I would like to think that it's a good school. Good school. It's nonprofit? All right, then it's good. If it's legit, I'm down. Where are these people? Where are these like I'm looking on my LinkedIn right now for these recruiters that always post these cringe pictures of new hires. Oh, LinkedIn is becoming like Facebook. It's so bad. The only people that go on LinkedIn are people that don't have jobs. So no one ever responds on LinkedIn. Ever consider doing bug bounties? Nah. I don't know enough cybersecurity for it. What do you think about non-USA residents working full-time, full remote, but still getting paid a lot less doing the same way? I don't really know what you mean. Where are these cringe... Dudes, people just selling on LinkedIn. It's so cringe. It's like LinkedIn is not... No one wants to buy your stuff on LinkedIn, bro. Or like everyone pretends to be like the best, like... I don't know. LinkedIn is just it's so corporate. So it's just the best. It's going to be a good video, I hope. Where are these recruiter ladies that always take pics? Oh, so good. Four-year degree really matters when you're trying... No, it doesn't. Low employment is good. I mean, low employment is good, but what is the low employment of? Is it like, is it fast food, you know? Do you want to start a small business? I have a small business. I'm just independent. All these fake CEOs on LinkedIn are the best. It's really bad. It's really, really bad when you see people like sharing their diploma from schools that aren't diplomas. People taking pictures on LinkedIn with like their little like certificates from Free Code Camp and stuff. It's like, bro, don't do that. You're gonna make yourself look like an amateur, man. Maybe they just don't know any better. Six-year degree in CS, better than Lambda School. I mean, okay. I'm thinking of going through Lambda School through a VPN because they're only taking people outside the EU. No, that's not. They take people from the EU. Do you lift? Yep. Developers are usually jacked. That's... What? What? I've seen people post pics with Phoenix, Arizona degrees. Oh, those are the most laughable. I got my master's of business administration from Phoenix, Arizona. Oh, what did you do? Did you just open the door and pay for it, you know? Cool. Oh, I bet that was hard, but you still don't have a business to run. Now you just like I've had people with master's degrees email me and they're like, hey, dude, I want to start my own business. And I'm like, you're the one with a master's degree in business. Why are you emailing me? That's not what I don't say that, right? That sounds really arrogant. But I mean, like, how much you pay? Oh man, dude, I can't even find these HR ladies. They're the best. Avid PC gamer, you enjoyed automation, scripting, borderline. What field of software game dev do you think would be best fit for you? Field of game dev? I just do game dev. Maybe machine learning would be good. Scholarships better than student loans? Get good grades. Well, Prince, the thing with getting good grades is it sometimes it depends on the teacher. Why are you so negative? What? I prefer to be more of a realist, not in this floaty, fluffy dreamland. Whatever, I can't find it. Where are all the memes? I'm just looking for new hires. Oh, here we go. Oh, no, just a HR person. Dude, every time I see someone that says entrepreneur on LinkedIn, it's always like disruptor. Insert word plus disruptor. I'm a software development disruptor. Come on, dude. These buzzwords. HR disruptor. How do you disrupt HR? HR just needs to get eliminated because if you're not eliminated, I don't know. I'm not trying to rant. Get good grades. The salary much higher. No, that's not true at all. You know how you get a higher salary? You negotiate a higher salary. Do you think it's better to remove online certificates? 100%. Take that off. You should be tired. I'm heading coding train. Okay, later, dude. Every dev I've worked with. Okay, well, that's cool. Do you work in a company? Nope. You'd buy Fluke coin? I made a dev coin. Yep. Got a degree in fine arts. But you can build a career in anything. Oh man, there was this one video in here where like these people were like doing new employee. I'm gonna type new employee. New hire. See what happens. Never gotten a call back from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is really, I don't know. I've never applied to jobs on LinkedIn. I don't think it works. What's the point of this video? We were looking at jobs, but now we're hanging out for the next 20 minutes. So here's something that you don't want to do on LinkedIn. So here we can see, hi guys, I lost my contract as a petroleum engineer. Blah, 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 blah. Look, I put my education at the top and my experience and my relevant training. This is all backwards. No one's going to come to you, dude. You can't just post your resume and expect people to come to you. That's how you get taken advantage of. Try Ireland. I found a bunch in Ireland. Best site? Probably Indeed. You should make a LinkedIn if you don't have one. Yeah, LinkedIn is good. It's good for networking. It's good for brand building. You can literally just go add people all day long. Every time I read a great addition to the team, it just makes me cringe inside. It's the worst when you get like a job. When you first get a job and the HR people like make you take a job, like, or make you take a picture together. It's so cringe, dude. Like, it's your first day at work and we all have name tags. Let's take a picture. We're all part of the team. Our first new wave of team members. Oh, so cringe. Some people ask me why I love recruiting. Tons of reasons, but one of the biggest reasons is because I have an impact on other people's life. You know why you love recruiting? Is because the more money they make, the more money you make. Quit lying, girl. So very true. Thank you for no. You love recruiting because they make money and you can scrape off the top. How can you show your skills on pages? Like LinkedIn. Oh, that doesn't do anything. What's up with sunglasses? I have a whole collection of sunglasses up there. I'm missing my orange ones. How do you deal with stress as a dev? You just walk away. Why do you have such strong animosity towards everything? Because I don't live in fluffy Disneyland. I live in reality. I don't live in fluffy bunny gumdrop and rainbows all day, dude. I live in real life where people are out for them. Is it okay to tell your boss the intention to leave? You tell your boss you're gonna leave, he's gonna make you leave. Doesn't mean you have to be pompous. I'm not. You can still be happy. I am happy. Do you think corporate culture will change? Nope. That's why you leave. What's your current job? I don't have one. Can you search for jobs in Georgia? It's hard to get an entry job. Don't apply for entry jobs. I could not work at Google considering the current, yeah. Everyone's just like, you're so negative. I'm like, you know what I am? I'm realistic here. Can you search jobs in Minnesota? I did, but you weren't here. You seemed happier when you were not self-employed. That is the biggest lie you've ever said. The hugest of the huge. I don't know, man. Like, would you just smiles all day long? Are solo learn certificates? Nope. I don't know. There's always a few like vocal minorities, you know. I'm 38, want to join Lambda by September. Any advice? They have a thing that will catch you up. If you were offered a job developing, making more than you currently do, would you take? No, I would never work for someone ever again. Ever, ever, ever. Like, not in a traditional sense. And if I absolutely had to take the job or I would be homeless, I would only do 5 minutes of work for you and do my own thing until I got fired. And then I get another job and do 5 minutes of work for you and then do my own thing as soon as you walk away. Like, if I was working for you, I'm going to do 2 minutes of work while you're looking at my screen. And as soon as you walk away, I'm going to start working on my own building, my own brand, and my own business again. Because I don't want to work for you. That's just it. I'm sorry. I don't care. And then I would get fired, and then I do it again. And I get fired and do it again because I just don't care. I don't want to work for you. I'll work with you. I'll partner with you. But I'm not going to be under you. What do you do for a living? This. and a bunch of other stuff. What do you do and how much do you earn? I do YouTube and I earn more than I did at dev jobs, that's for sure. Founder of Get Yo Grind Up movement. I would focus on getting a job and get an internship. Okay, disregard what he says. It's the best when you see entrepreneurs on LinkedIn, but then you look and they work, you know, I don't know. It's like they're giving a bunch of business advice, but they don't have one. What's an average amount for an intern to earn? I don't know, like $15 an hour? You had bad experiences as a dev job. I had bad experience as a job. I don't know. I don't want to work for you. I don't want to work for anybody. I want to work for Josh. I want to work for Josh Corp. Later, dude. What's up, man? What's up, Yao Mei? Hi, can you help me with a Ayub, you want to look for you want to look on Stack Overflow, not Indeed. Is it a good idea to start your own thing after college? I mean, why? If you're going to start your own thing, what's your plan to make money? You should ask yourself that question. If you want to be a freelancer, what's your plan to make money? How are you going to? What's your business problem? Like, what are you solving? How are you generating revenue? Are you selling merch? Do you have a brand? Do you have a business service? Are you selling your time? Are you doing contracts? Are you doing freelance? What are you doing to generate revenue? Anyone can make a business, cost $100 online, but that doesn't mean, you know, you could open your own company by recruiting people from your channel. I already have my own company and exists. It's an LLC marked as an S Corp that exists in the state of Wyoming. I just don't have employees because I don't want to manage employees, because I know as an employee myself, I know what I did. I worked for 2 minutes and I did my own thing. What do you think about drop shipping? You're all selling the same product with different copyright. Why don't you use a Mac? I don't have a reason to. Would you do car sales? No. I don't want to do car sales. Any favorite TV shows? I mean, I don't know. I like Forensic Files on Netflix. That's my jam. That's what I watch at night. I just sit on the couch, hit up the girls on Tinder and whatever. Watch Netflix. Can you do web dev with Linux? I mean, I guess you could if you wanted. I suppose so. I suppose that's the thing. How can I make money? Well, the better question is, what value are you providing? Startup companies better, yes. 400%. How can we grow your channel? Oh my god, dude, these people are blowing me up. They want to like partner with me. You don't have to hire. You can create your own product. No, I grew this myself, so I don't want to share it. I think you should grow it yourself. Do employers respect boot camps? They respect your ability to pass the code test and sell yourself. What's the average monthly salary? 50K. What's the longest contract you've worked? I don't work contract. If I finish with a 3-year bachelor, where are you getting a bachelor's in 3 years, fam? Have you ever considered starting your own software startup? Again, that's not the right question. The question is, what service are you providing that you need a startup for? What problem are you solving that helps people improve their lives that you're creating a software for? Like, why do you need money to make a startup? For what thing are you building? Anyone can make a startup. Like, technically, I guess my company's a startup. And what does that mean? You have to have a business problem to solve, a business need, value provided, value added, to improve or help someone's life, do something easier, make something, make someone want to pay for it. What do you, like, you can't just be like, oh, I got a business. Cool, dude, now what? What are you doing to make money? he said, if I get a 3-year bachelor's, and I'm like, how do you get a bachelor's in 3 years? Most European countries have a bachelor. I wouldn't say most. I would say Finland is 4 years, if not 5 years. Mine was. What do you think about working as a tutor? I think that if you wanted to work on it, I think low key, if I was going to keep it 100% real with you right now, I would work on Code Mentor IO, and then during the mentor session, I'd be like, hey, dude, come work with me directly, and you can pay me less, because Code Mentor is scraping off the top of your hourly rate, right? So let's say Code Mentor you're charging $100, and Code Mentor takes $40, so you're getting $60. So what I would do is be like, hey, dude, come with me directly. I'll charge you $70, and now you get all $70. That's what I would do. I would build a brand and then do it yourself, and not let people scrape off the top. So you never signed a contract online for long? No, I don't want to do that. I don't sell time. Any tip on how to get remote work? Remote, okay, and then send a video resume. If you don't want to work for us, then what's that thing on the review on the bottom right side? This is just my dad's rent here. I'm just offering it for fun. Are you still making games? You were making one a few years ago. I did make a game, and then my video card died. How do you code Ruby on Windows? You just go to Replit, code there, code in the cloud. If you haven't gotten any sort of interview opportunity, does it mean I'm not skilled enough? It probably means your cover letter's not good, or you applied wrong. I could like change any of your cover letters probably, and we could probably get some responses. Maybe you're doing it wrong. Maybe you're saying the wrong things. I don't know. 76K, Carlos. Thanks, man. 100K, here we come. I'm just hanging out for a few more minutes, then I'm going to go make my stuff. USA companies hire non-USA residents from India, Mexico, blah, 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 blah. Thoughts on why this is outsourcing. It's cheaper for companies. How old are you? I'm 28. Do you work more hours since you work for yourself? I think only occasionally it feels like work. So there's only like editing sometimes is tedious. It starts to feel like work. Setting up cameras for the shot sometimes feels like work, but most of the time it doesn't feel like work. So it's nice. Do I work more hours? I don't know. I don't keep track. I just work. I just do what I want because I would do this anyways. That's how I know I picked the right business. What's your educational background like? I have a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Finland. How can I send my cover letters and resume? Shoot them over to my email. Do you think coming out of a boot camp, you have power to negotiate? Yeah, you have power to negotiate salary, whatever your history is. Your ability to sell yourself is your ability to negotiate. Not sure how it works to work long-term with legal entity, but with a contract. What do you mean? Thoughts on Upwork? Upwork is a race to the bottom. I thought about making a video on that, but basically, unless you check the box US only, it's a race to the bottom. Whoever has the cheapest cost of living will undercut the next guy, and they'll get the contract. $35. Could you draw an elephant? Let me look. Can I verify? That's not true. Incorrect. I do not see. Yes, yeah. Just found your channel, super interesting guy. You seem to speak a lot of value. That's what it's all about. Thanks for answering. You're welcome. Just trying to help. What other social media platforms do you use? Just Instagram. You can follow me up there if you want to see behind the scenes kind of stuff. Do U.S. countries pay people with visas sponsorships less? I don't know. Nice try, Ryan. He almost got me. Was saying I start Lambda school. Oh yeah. I suppose we'll draw an elephant. I'm not very good. I forgot I drew this doggo yesterday. Hold on. Master's degree in software engineering. Worth it? No, it's not. You don't need a master's. Come on. All right. Where do and how do you do freelance work? If you want to do freelance work, build a brand. Go to them. Oh, there it goes. My light died finally. I think it overheated actually. No master's degree in the U.S. is worth it. Yeah, I'd agree with that. All right, here we go. How to apply to Stack Overflow as a fresher. Same if you're not. What's the scope of Ruby on Rails? Bad. Can you draw a bird? That's not true. You can't come back. It's been too late. Come on now. You donated with the message, not for the request. That's not. You can't. How much for you to write code to draw you an elephant? Yeah, nope, not happening. I'm not writing any code. That's so boring. I'll draw an elephant. Let's see. Oh no, man. Dude, I don't even know where to start. I don't know. There's like a tusk or something. I think they got tusks. There's a big foot and another big foot and a big old fat body and another it's a dog, I guess. And then a little tail right there. Yeah, just stick to YouTube. I got it, guys. Don't even worry about it. And then I think you wanted a bird, right? What is that? It's an elephant, my man. Okay? Elephant. Then there's a trunk. Then there's a tongue. You think code is boring? Yeah, code is boring, just a code. No fun. There you go. There's my... I see why you don't do design. There you go. Evernote logo, dude. New Evernote logo right there. Is this the drawing from the new EU tech? Yeah, exactly. Best place to learn C#. Probably Unity tutorials. Building stuff is fun. Solving problems is fun. Coding is not fun. Do you have any crypto? Yeah, sure do. I got lots of Ethereum and stuff. As a fine art student, I can say that is quite observant of you. Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate that. Have you tried out C# Blazor framework for web apps? No, not really. Ethereum is garbage. That's actually quite a good elephant. You know, I think I messed his mouth up. I don't really know how to draw a mouth, but, you know, whatever. Can you review the new tech lead video? Nah. Let's be honest. Draw something for $5 is genius. I know, it's pretty sweet. But, you know, it's not my money. It's my dad's rent. Woohoo. How do you work with a company without a contract and not as an employee? I work for my own company. And I make my own money. I don't, you know. Why are his feet like that? He's got diabetes, dude. His feet are big, okay? I don't know if you can tell, but, you know, he's got diabetes here. All right? He's got the beatus. I think the video thumbnail said job hunting. Am I at the wrong place? Back up about 2 hours ago. We're at 3-hour stream now. 2019 Dumbo. You should feel bad, okay? Whoops. Whatever. Why did you get mechanical engineering degree if you don't like it? I didn't know any better. Why'd you choose web dev over others? I didn't. I just picked whatever was remote. All blockchains other than Bitcoins are dumb. Okay. Any advice on how to price your work as a freelancer? You got to figure out the budget. You can't price your work up front. I don't know. It depends on how many options you have. You got a lot of options. You could probably get away with pricing stuff like up front, but like at the same time, you got to figure out your client's budget, you know? I find it tough to explain to an employer my dev skills when I'm all I've done is study my own. What's a good narrative to talk on when they ask? Just say, I've learned these skills exceptionally well by myself. I can learn whatever you want me. But the subscriber asked you to code an elephant. If I understood correctly, wasn't it a task? And told problem solving isn't boring. So why didn't you code the elephant? I drew the elephant. The agreement is to draw what you want, not code what you want. Thanks for the elephant. Hey, thanks, man. Draw the 2019. Oh, God. All right, Titan Voyager. True about the ME degree. I did the same. Hey, thanks, Ryan. Yeah, it's ME degree. Didn't know any better. Topic up to the live version. Welcome aboard. We're currently drawing. I guess we're drawing Sonic now. I don't even remember what Sonic looks like, but I'll do my best. I don't want to code on stream. It's just boring to me. Cause then you should see backseat coders. If you think backseat gaming on like Twitch is bad, you should see backseat coders. Everyone's like, you can do that in one line of code, or you can do that in like two letters if you just use this it's like the worst, dude. Like, oh, it's so bad. All right, I believe here. I think he's got like some teal eyes. I think like right here, he's got like some green eyes. I think he has like a weird nose too. God. Come on now. Did I undo something? Did I save it? No. Hold. I think I froze it. Okay, Ryan, dude. I don't know that much. What the heck? No, wrong one. I want the eraser. I think I gotta make a new one. Hold. All right. Good drawing, bro. Hey, thanks, man. Dude, what's up, dude? Welcome to my drawing stream where I pay my dad's rent with crappy drawings of Sonic. I think these are his eyes. Oh my God. We'll give him some square chisel teeth today. Chisel teeth. There we go. And we'll give him a tiny little body. Wait, don't you have the tablet? I sure do. Give him a little shoulders, some little arms, little tiny arms, body, and he's got feet. Also, clickbait trash. Cool, dude. Welcome aboard. I think he's got a tail, or is that Son? No, that's Tails, right? But doesn't he have a little tail? No, I'm not from Finland. Oh, show your screen. Oh, I'm so bad. Sorry. Are you ready for this masterpiece? Here you go. Got any suggestions where I should live? Where do you want to live, dude? What kind of activities like? Give him song. Hold on. Looks better than the Sonic movie, that's for sure. Look, he don't got braces, dude. He just got chiseled teeth. I'm gonna go make a video and eat some food, and you know, how can a developer work for himself, not for companies? You develop SaaS software that sells something to people on the internet or something. Evil Blue Frog could be. Is a grill. All right, guys. It's the fastest drawing alive. Yep. Still better than Universal Studio. Appreciate you. Hi Josh, love your vids. Hey, thanks guys. I'm gonna go do productive stuff. Thanks for hanging out through all the BS and listening to me rant, and you know, a LinkedIn video. It might be freelancing versus contract if I can't find any good roast-worthy freelance stuff or HR stuff on LinkedIn, but I might do that. But we see. I gotta go eat some food, and thanks for hanging in. F to all the people hanging through all the garbage that we went through today. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you guys. Steven, Titan, Leader, Master, Sean, Ian, UN, Arik. You guys are real MVP. New vid coming out. All the lurkers out there getting ready to alt-tab off of me. I appreciate you. Everyone at work listening to me in the background, thank you. Hopefully you don't get fired. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live stream, or maybe later on Twitch. You can go follow me on Twitch /Josh Fluke, and I'll see you there. All right, dudes. I'm out. Later.